Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Lifestyle Revolution, the channel where we dive deep into how artificial intelligence can transform your career and lifestyle. Today, we're talking about something big, high-paying AI jobs that you can land with the right certifications. In 2025, the demand for AI professionals is going to skyrocket even higher. And today, I'm going to show you the best free AI certifications that can help you land jobs paying over $120,000 a year. So if you're ready to supercharge your career in AI without emptying your wallet, stick around. Let's kick things off with a course that's perfect for beginners, even if you have absolutely zero experience with AI. It's called AI for Everyone, and it's available right now on Coursera. Now, this isn't just some random online course. It's taught by best instructors in the field. You see, I've been incredibly fortunate to work in AI for decades, and I've seen firsthand how this technology is changing the world. Through this course, I want to share my knowledge and experience with you, so you can understand the power of AI and how it can impact your life and career. In AI for Everyone, we'll cover the fundamentals of AI, demystifying complex concepts like machine learning and deep learning. We'll talk about the real-world applications of AI, from healthcare to finance to transportation. And most importantly, we'll discuss how you can position yourself for success in this rapidly growing field. Think of this course as your launchpad into the world of AI. It's designed to give you a solid foundation so you can confidently talk about AI, understand its potential, and be ready to dive deeper into more specialized areas. The best part? You can audit this course for free. That means you can access all the lectures, videos, and learning materials without spending a dime. If you decide you want to earn a certificate of completion, you can upgrade to the paid version. Trust me, investing in your AI education is one of the smartest decisions you can make. The demand for AI professionals is only going to increase, and having a solid foundation in AI will give you a significant advantage in the job market. So, head over to Coursera and check out AI for Everyone. It's the perfect starting point for anyone who wants to unlock the incredible potential of artificial intelligence. Our next certification comes from a true titan of the tech world, IBM. The IBM Data Science Professional Certificate on Coursera is a fantastic way to gain practical data science skills and boost your credibility with a credential recognized globally. Now, you might be thinking, data science? Isn't this video about AI? And you'd be right to ask. But here's the thing, data science and AI are deeply interconnected. In fact, data science forms the very foundation upon which many AI applications are built. This program takes you step by step through the essential components of data science, from analyzing data to building predictive models using machine learning algorithms. You'll gain hands-on experience with popular tools and technologies like Python, SQL, and Jupyter Notebooks. What I really appreciate about this program is its emphasis on real-world application. You won't just be learning theory in a vacuum. You'll be tackling projects that simulate real data science challenges faced by businesses today. This practical experience is invaluable when it comes to impressing potential employers. Earning a professional certificate from IBM carries significant weight in the industry. It demonstrates to employers that you possess the skills and knowledge they're looking for in a data scientist. Plus, having IBM on your resume certainly doesn't hurt. Just like the previous course, you can audit the IBM Data Science Professional Certificate for free on Coursera. This gives you a fantastic opportunity to explore the world of data science and see if it's the right path for you. If you're serious about a career in AI or data science, this certification is a must-have. It's a comprehensive program that equips you with in-demand skills and gives you a competitive edge in the job market. Chapter 3. Next up, we have a crash course that's anything but basic. It's Google's machine learning crash course, and it's designed to give you a practical understanding of machine learning, a core subfield of AI, in a fast-paced, engaging way. Developed by Google's own machine learning experts, this course is a treasure trove of valuable insights and hands-on exercises. You'll learn the fundamental concepts of machine learning, from linear regression to neural networks, and you'll get to apply your knowledge using popular machine learning libraries like TensorFlow. One of the things I love about this crash course is its focus on real-world applications. You'll see how Google uses machine learning to power its products and services, and you'll even get to work on projects that tackle real-world problems. The course is structured in a way that makes it easy to digest, even if you're short on time. It's divided into bite-sized modules that you can complete at your own pace. And because it's developed by Google, you can be confident that you're learning from the best in the business. Whether you're a complete beginner or you have some coding experience, Google's machine learning crash course is an excellent resource to accelerate your AI journey. It's completely free, so you can start learning today and gain valuable skills that are in high demand across industries. Chapter 4. Now, if you're ready to take your AI skills to the next level, I highly recommend the Deep Learning Specialization, also available on Coursera. This specialization is designed for those who already have some experience with machine learning and want to delve into the exciting world of deep learning. Deep learning is a subfield of machine learning that focuses on training artificial neural networks with multiple layers. These deep neural networks have revolutionized areas like computer vision, natural language processing, and robotics. In this specialization, you'll explore the foundations of deep learning, understand how to build neural networks from scratch, and learn how to apply deep learning techniques to solve complex problems. We'll cover a wide range of topics, including convolutional neural networks for image recognition, recurrent neural networks for sequence data, and generative adversarial networks for creating realistic synthetic data. This specialization is highly practical, with numerous coding exercises and projects that will allow you to apply your knowledge and build your own deep learning models. You'll gain hands-on experience with popular deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow and Keras. Completing the deep learning specialization will equip you with the skills and knowledge to tackle cutting-edge AI challenges and pursue exciting career opportunities in fields like computer vision, natural language processing, and robotics. Chapter 5. Last, but certainly not least, we have a fantastic offering from one of the most prestigious universities in the world. Harvard University. Their CS50s. Introduction to Artificial Intelligence with Python is a highly regarded course that provides a comprehensive introduction to the fascinating world of AI. This course explores the fundamental concepts of AI, including search algorithms, knowledge representation, and machine learning. You'll learn how to implement AI algorithms using Python, one of the most popular programming languages in the field. What sets this course apart is its focus on both the theoretical foundations of AI and its practical applications. You'll not only learn the concepts but also gain hands-on experience through engaging projects and assignments. Harvard's CS50 is renowned for its rigorous curriculum and high-quality instruction. You'll be learning from experienced professors who are leaders in the field of AI. And here's the best part. You can audit this course for free through edX. That's right, you can access all the lectures, videos, and learning materials without paying a dime. If you're looking for a top-notch AI education without breaking the bank, Harvard's CS50 is an incredible opportunity. It's a challenging yet rewarding course that will provide you with a solid foundation in AI and prepare you for a future in this transformative field. There you have it, the top AI certifications to help you land a $120,000 plus job in 2025. All these resources are free to start, so there's no reason to wait. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to AI Lifestyle Revolution, and share your thoughts in the comments. Which certification are you excited to start? Let us know below.